Cordial greeting to student classmates. This is my storybook. My name is Nidia Elizabeth Mendez Garavito. I am a student of Program of Education Sciences, ECEDU, Bachelor's Degree in English as a Foreign Language, March 2019. I am 27 years old. I am a teacher in a private institution. I am teaching math, science, and history in 4th and 5th grade. At 6:30 a.m. I start my work. At 2:30 p.m. I go out. I like to teach, play, and share with my students. In my free time, I like watch movies, listen music, and share with my family. At present, I am a director of 4th grade. This is a picture of my students. There are 29 students in this group. I am single. I live in Molinos neighborhood in Bogota City. I live with my older sister Luz Mendez, her husband William, and her son Dylan. She is 31 years old and she is a pedagogic auxiliary. She is my mom. Her name is Rosalba Garavito. She is 61 years old. She is a housewife and she likes watch TV. He is my dad. His name is Humberto Mendez. He is 59 years old. He is a farmer and he likes watch TV too. And at present, they live in Junín, Cundinamarca. This town is where I was born. It is near to Bogota, approximately 3 hours. He is my brother. His name is Humberto Mendez. He is 30 years old. He is a policeman and he lives in Valparaíso, Antioquia with his wife, Jennifer, and his son, Joel. He likes watch movies and to travel. In my last vacations were from December and January, I went to Junín where my parents. In all the vacations I traveled there. I share time with them. We do the activities for field. We take care of the animals and keep the farm. In moments of rest, we watch TV. In the weekends, we go out to the town. We go to the church. We go to the restaurant and we go to the house to rest. These pictures are from my town. First picture shows the church of my town. Second picture shows the farm of my parents. And third picture shows the town. This is Junín, Cundinamarca. My plans and ambitions. In 5 or 10 years, I see myself as a teacher English in a good institution. I want to live in my own house with my parents, with my husband and sons. I want to have my car with a stable economy. I want to travel to know many places and I want to live in other city. Thanks.